Hello everyone. In this video we will see about how to multiply fractions and how to divide fractions. So let's start. First we will see multiplication of fractions. Okay. Now see the multiplication of these two fractions, 9 upon 7 into 5 upon 2. So when multiplication of fractions, what we are doing, the numerator will get multiplied with the numerator and denominator will get multiplied with the denominator. Okay, we will see equal to 9 into 5 upon 7 into 2. Okay, so we have multiplied both the numerator and that will be there in the numerator, and the whole upon, we have multiplied both the denominators and we have written it in the denominator. Okay, so when multiplying fractions, the product of the numerator is written in the numerator and the product of the denominator is written in the denominator. 45 upon 7 2s are 14. So this is the final answer. So we cannot reduce it further. So this is the final answer. Okay. The next is 6 upon 5 into 4 upon 3 equal to 6 into 4 upon 5 into 3. Okay, we are multiplying the numerator and writing it in the numerator, and we are multiplying the denominators and writing it in the denominator. See the numerator and denominator. See, whenever there is product, there is multiplication sign in between numerator and also the denominator. What we can do, see 3 and 6, we can reduce it here itself. Okay, like see, here 3 ones are 3 we can get, and 6, 3 2s are 6. Okay, while doing this multiplication we can do one thing, 3 ones are 3 and 3 2s are 6. Okay, this we can do only when multiplication sign is there, we can do this. Okay, if any other sign is there, we cannot do such type of cancellation. Only when multiplication sign is there in between, we can do such type of calculation. What will be the reduced? 2 into 4 upon 5 into 1. Okay, so what is the answer? 8 upon 5. This is the final answer. If you have not reduced it here, then the answer, the number will be bigger number. See, one more thing. See, if you are not cancelling it here, then what we will get? So if you are writing it as it is, equal to, see, 6 4s are 24 upon 5 3s are 15. See, here there is bigger number. Now if we reduce, in the answer we can reduce it, that is 3 5s are 15 and 3 8s are 24. So the final answer is 8 upon 5. See, the answer will be same. So you can reduce it here itself and solve, or you can solve and then finally you can reduce it. Anyhow you can do, the answer will be same. The next fraction is 8 upon 20 into 5. Okay, here first number is fraction and the second is a whole number. Okay, so that means here there is upon 1 is there. Okay, in whole number the denominator is upon 1, that is okay, here 1 is there. Okay, but we are not writing 1 here. When in natural numbers and whole numbers and integers, if the denominator is always 1. Okay, here there is multiplication, so we can cancel. Okay, see, here 5 and 20, 5 ones are 5 and 5 4s are 20. Again this 4 and 8 we can cancel. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8. So what will remain? Only 2 will remain. See, the denominator has become 1. So the final answer is 2. Okay. Remember this, when multiplying two fractions, the product of the numerators is written in the numerator and the product of the denominators is written in the denominator. Next we will see what is reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. See this fraction 7 upon 5. Now reciprocal of 7 upon 5. Now reciprocal means what? Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Okay, that means, see here 7 is in the numerator and 5 is in the denominator, right? So reciprocal of this number means the number which is there in the numerator will go in denominator and the number which is there in the denominator will come in the numerator. So reciprocal of 7 upon 5, 5 upon 7. Okay. We are writing the opposite. See which number is there in the numerator, it has gone in the denominator and the denominator will come in the numerator. So this is called reciprocal of a number, reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Now the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of 15 upon 8 will be 8 upon 15. Okay. Now see here there is the number 3. Means the denominator here is 1. Okay. So actually it is 3 upon 1. So the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of 3 is 1 upon 3. So the reciprocal of 3 is 1 upon 3. So if we have any whole number, natural number or integers, then the reciprocal will be 1 upon that number. Okay. Now we will see what will happen if we multiply a number by its reciprocal. Now see here 6 upon 5 is given. Now we will multiply this with the reciprocal of this same number. Now what is the reciprocal of 6 upon 5? It will be 5 upon 6. Okay. 5 upon 6. Now what is the answer? Now what will be the answer? 6 5s are 30 upon 5 6s are 30. So the answer is 1. So when we multiply any number by its reciprocal, the answer what we will get is always 1. So we will see one more example. See here. So here we have number 8. Now we will multiply with its reciprocal. Now what is the reciprocal of 8? The reciprocal of 8 is 1 upon 8. So what will be the answer? 8 ones are 8 upon 8. So here the answer is 1. So the product of a number and its reciprocal is always 1. Okay, the product of a number and its reciprocal is always 1. See, when the product of two numbers is 1, then this each number is called reciprocal of other. Okay, see here reciprocal of 6 upon 5 is what? 5 upon 6. Okay, and the reciprocal of 5 upon 6 is 6 upon 5. Okay, so the product is 1. Now here the product of this two number is 1. So 8 is reciprocal of 1 by 8 and 1 by 8 is reciprocal of 8. Okay, that is 8 is multiplicative inverse of 1 by 8 and also 1 by 8 is also multiplicative inverse of 8. Okay. When the product of two numbers is 1, each of the number is the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of the other. Next we will see division of fractions. Now the next is division. 3 upon 7 divided by 5 upon 11. Okay. So in division what we will do? See carefully. See, we will write the first fraction as it is. Okay. So equal to 3 upon 7 and instead of division we will put multiplication. And the fraction which is coming after division whatever the fraction is coming, we will take reciprocal of this fraction. So we will take reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of this fraction. Here it is 5 upon 11. So what is the inverse? So what is the reciprocal of 5 upon 11? 11 upon 5. 11 upon 5. Okay, understood. So in division what we will do? We will write the first fraction as it is. Instead of division we will do multiplication, and we will multiply with what? The reciprocal of the fraction. Okay, what will be the answer? 3 11s are 33 upon 7 5s are 35. So this is the answer. So to divide the fraction means we are multiplying. Here what we are doing? We are multiplying with the reciprocal of the fraction. Okay. Now the next is 11 upon 12 divided by 4 upon 7. Now remember here, you cannot cancel 12 and 4. Okay, 4 is a part of another fraction, and here there is division sign. So you cannot cancel it directly. Remember, many students make this mistake. Only when multiplication sign is there in between, you can cancel that. Okay, here there is division sign, so you cannot cancel 4 and 12. Equal to 11 upon 12. Instead of division we will do multiplication. So what is the reciprocal of 4 upon 7? 7 upon 4. So 7 upon 4. So 11 7s are 77 upon 12 4s are 48. So 77 upon 48. This is the final answer. Here next, 16 upon 9 divided by 2. So first fraction we will write it as it is, 16 upon 9. Instead of division we will put multiplication. And what is the reciprocal of 2? 1 upon 2. Okay. So see here, now you can cancel, because see here multiplication is there. So now you can cancel 2 and 16. Okay. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. So what will remain? 8 into 1 will be 8 upon 9 into 1 will be 9. So the answer is 8 upon 9. Here we have put multiplication and we have taken the reciprocal. Okay, so you can cancel. Okay.
Remember this, to divide a number by a fraction is to multiply it by the reciprocal of the fraction. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts about this topic, then please write it in the comments. If you learned something new from this video, then please like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.